In this video, you're going to learn the benefits of async pre-work, and we'll explore an example of async pre-work to help you run better meetings.
Sync meetings are still a necessary part of life. There are still some problems that require us to work face-to-face or Zoom to Zoom to be able to solve those problems the most efficient and effective way possible. But we can include some async tools and techniques to kind of improve things along the way. Now, when we think about collaboration touchpoints, think about meetings and other interaction points, we group those into three things: improving, eliminating, and transforming. Your goal when you're looking at your meetings is either improve your meeting, eliminate your meeting, or transform your meeting into something new to get better value out of it. So if you decide you need a sync meeting, there are things you can do before and after in an async way to make it more valuable. We've talked about some of these tools and techniques for sync communication in prior videos. So for this video, I'm going to focus in on an example demonstrating how async techniques can be brought into a sync-based meeting, leveraging some of the things I do as a facilitator to make my meetings more effective.
All right, so let's get into the example of using async pre-work to run better meetings. Okay, so let's say I'm on a marketing team and I'm in charge of running a campaign to launch our newest product. If you watched the last video, you saw that we got all of our tasks organized in Jira Work Management. And now it's time to start collaborating and actually getting the work done. Let's start on our Jira Work Management board. And the main task that I'm working on at the moment is to define the contest scope and details. This one here. So let's open this task and then click over to the Confluence page that's linked to where we're actually getting the work done. So to complete the contest scope and details, it really requires input and feedback from two main stakeholders, Charlie and Ivan. Now, what I could do is just set up a sync meeting and we could all just talk about it for a few hours. But honestly, that would not be a super effective use of all of our time. And because we're in different time zones, it'd be difficult for us to have that many overlapping working hours. So what I'll do instead is really think about the async pre-work I can set up before we meet to make sure that our sync meeting is the most effective it can be. So for this type of work, I'm really looking for Charlie and Ivan's feedback on this initial draft that I created. As you can see, I've created the draft in Confluence, but you can use any type of tool where it's easy to add comments and get feedback. So the idea is that before we meet in person, Charlie and Ivan will have a chance to review this page and add their feedback as comments. So what I could do is just share this page with them, send it over, and ask for their feedback. But I'm going to take it one step further, and I'm going to record a quick 3-minute Loom video walking them through this Confluence page. I find that creating a Loom video, it adds more context around specific details that might be misunderstood, and it helps to save my stakeholders time. I've worked with these two for quite a while, and I know that Ivan specifically, he prefers to watch videos instead of reading. So in just a few minutes, it only takes me 3 minutes to record, I can make it much easier for him to review my page. So I have my Confluence page, I've recorded my video message on Loom. Now what I'm going to do is share both those links with my stakeholders. I'm going to provide very clear details, asking them to add their comments, any questions and feedback onto this page directly. And we've agreed to 2 full working days to get this task done. So that's the async pre-work. And what this does, it allows the stakeholders to get the work done on their own schedule. Charlie, she's based in Sydney, Australia. I'm in Denver, Colorado. Because of our time zones, that overlapping sync time is pretty scarce, right? So this gives us an opportunity to collaborate on this work without having to worry about that overlapping time. So once that's sent out, next I'll send out an invite for a sync meeting about this in 2 days. And the idea is that if we've done all of the pre-work, our time together, when we come together for only 30 minutes, will be far more efficient and effective. So now that we're in a sync Zoom meeting, what I can do is based on all the async comments they added, I can get an idea of what the most important points are for us to discuss in the meeting. And that'll help me get an idea of what to prioritize talking about in the meeting so that we can all feel like we're aligned at the end of the 30 minutes. So instead of a long, aimless introductory meeting about this project, since we did this async pre-work, I now have specific outcomes and we're already way further ahead on getting the work done. So after our productive meeting, there's also some async post work I can do. I share the meeting notes and action items with the stakeholders, also on a Confluence page, and then encourage them to add anything that I may have missed or anything that they'd like to contribute. And there we go. We successfully used Confluence and Loom to do async pre-work to make sure that our sync meeting together was the most efficient and effective it could be.